What if I told you that you can start a music YouTube channel in 2026 without singing, without producing beats, and without showing your face, and still get thousands, even millions of views? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create an AI music YouTube channel from scratch, the tools to use, the content that goes viral, and how people are monetizing this right now. Watch till the end, because one mistake can get your channel demonetized. An AI music YouTube channel is a channel where music is generated using AI tools, visuals are created using AI or simple animations, content is automated or semi-automated. Popular AI music channel types in 2026 include lo-fi and chill beats, study and focus music, meditation and sleep sounds, cinematic and background music, AI-generated songs with vocals. You don't need a studio. You don't need instruments. You just need the right system. Choosing the right niche is everything. The best AI music niches in 2026 are lo-fi beats for studying, deep focus and productivity music, sleep and relaxation sounds, meditation and healing frequencies, cinematic and trailer-style music, background music for creators. Pro tip: avoid copyrighted styles or living artists. Always create original-sounding AI music. You only need a few tools: AI music generators, Suno AI, Udio, SoundRaw, AIVA. These tools allow you to generate royalty-free music when used correctly. Visual tools: Midjourney, Leonardo AI, DALL-E, Pika Labs for motion visuals. Video editing: CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro. This setup works even on a basic laptop. Here's the exact process. Choose a mood: chill, dark, happy, cinematic. Select tempo and genre. Generate the music. Export the track. Slightly edit or loop the audio. Make sure your music is long enough. 3 to 5 minutes for regular videos. 30 minutes to 2 hours for long form. Longer videos equal more watch time. Music alone isn't enough. You need visuals that match the mood, are calm and loopable, don't distract the listener. Best visuals: animated AI artwork, slow zoom images, nature scenes, abstract motion graphics. One good visual can be reused for multiple tracks. To grow faster in 2026, upload 2 to 4 videos per week, create one long video weekly, post YouTube Shorts using 15 to 30-second clips. Shorts bring traffic. Long videos build watch time. Together, they explode growth. Your title should describe mood, use case, duration. Examples: deep focus AI music for studying, 1 hour. Relaxing lo-fi beats to chill and work. Use keywords like AI music, lo-fi beats, study music, relaxing background music. YouTube SEO still matters. Here's how people earn: YouTube ad revenue, Spotify and streaming platforms, selling music packs, licensing to creators, Patreon or memberships. Some AI music channels earn thousands per month once scaled. Do not copy real artists' styles. Re-upload copyrighted tracks. Spam the same music everywhere. Ignore YouTube's AI content policies. Always read the platform rules. Originality protects your channel. Once your channel works, batch generate music, schedule uploads, outsource thumbnails, repurpose content on TikTok and Instagram. This becomes a passive system. If you're serious about starting an AI music YouTube channel in 2026, hit the like button. Subscribe for more AI, YouTube, and online income strategies. Comment AI music if you want my exact prompts and tools list. Your channel doesn't need talent, it needs consistency.